In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can boost server luck here in Slime RNG on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, there's two major things that you can do in order to do this. Let's just start with the most obvious one. You can go into the shop on the right hand sidebar, scroll through here, find the luck in here as well, specifically the server luck boost. This boost will increase your overall luck for everything in the game, meaning you get better slimes, better drops, and better rewards. So when you activate it, your luck multiplier will go up, which improves your chances across all roles. You can also combine this with other luck boosts for even better results, but if you don't actually want to spend any money and you don't want to use any Robux, what you can do as well is actually just go ahead and go into this upgrade section just like so. Look for the upgrade path that includes those lucks. You're going to have to upgrade to golden rolls first, and then of course go ahead and expand from there. If you go ahead and do that, you'll go ahead and have better luck nonetheless, so it's worth doing whatever you have the opportunity to. But that's really the two major things that you could go ahead and do. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.